Hello friend, today we will solve three example. Example topic name is solving equation having its variable on both side. For this we have two example, means variable also on LHS side, variable also on RHS side. So it is very simple, just we have to do calculation, that is 2x, this x will come here, minus x, this 3 will go here. When positive number go to that side, it will become negative, and negative number go to that side, it will become positive. 2 plus 3, 2x minus x is x, 2 plus 3 is 5. This is the answer, x is equal to 5. Let us see one more example. In this example we have to shift this value with variable to this side and this value with variable to this side. So new equation will become like this, that is 5x minus 3 by 2 x equal to minus 14 minus 7 by 2. So for making common base, multiply this 2 with this 5, that will be 10x minus 3x divided by 2. Same here, minus 20 to 28x, when you multiply 14 by 2, it will be 28 minus 7 divided by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Then 10 minus 3 is 7x, minus 28 plus 7 is 35, minus 35, x is equal to minus 35 by 7, 7 5s are 35, so x is equal to minus 5 in this case. So we have seen two example of such a case where variable on both the side, that is on LHS and RHS side. Let us see what is next example. In next example title is reducing equation to simpler form. So this is little bit complex equation, we have to reduce it to simple form. So for this, here we can see this is one complex form, this is one complex form. So for making it simple, we have to multiply 6 here, 6 here and 6 here. So 6 into 6 plus 1 plus 6 divided by 3 is equal to 6 into x minus 3 divided by 6. Both the side I have multiplied 6. So this 6 will get cancelled. Now equation will be this 3 by 3, 3 into 2 is 6, so 2 will come here, 2 into 6x plus 1 plus 6, and here x minus 3. So 2 into 6 is 12x plus 2 plus 6 x minus 3. 2 plus 6 is 8, 12x plus 8 x minus 3. This x will come here, this 8 will go here. 12 minus 12x minus x minus 3 minus 8. 12x minus x is 11x, minus 3 minus 8 is minus 11, x is minus 11 by 11, that will be minus 1. So x will be minus 1 in this case. So I have shown you two example total. One is variable on both the side, on LHS side and RHS side, in that case how to solve, and another one is, that is how to solve complex example just by adjusting it with some multiplier. So if you have any query related with this example, any doubt related with this example, you can directly write it in comment section, or you can directly mail me. I have given my email ID in description section. You can mail your query, I will definitely try to solve it. And finally, I want to say here that subscribe my YouTube channel, like it and share it. Thank you.